Hi, I'm Kirsty and I'm here to show you how to use your in-home display or IHD for your heating and hot water. This is the IHD that Vattenfall provides. It will be set up inside your home when you move in. You can use it to monitor your heating and hot water usage and spending. The model shown here is a Pipit 500. Please note, you may also have a separate IHD in your property for your electricity supply. If you need help with the IHD for your electricity supply, please contact your electricity supplier. Vattenfall only provides your heating and hot water. The IHD is touch sensitive. To access the main menu, press the menu icon on the top left hand of the IHD home screen. First, we're going to check our real-time heating and hot water usage. You can do this by pressing the heat button on the main menu and then pressing AC to reach the usage now page. As you can see, we're currently using £3.46 of heating and hot water and that our usage rate is high. This indicator helps you check whether your heating and hot water usage is lower, higher, or in line with where you'd like it to be. If it says low or medium, your current heating and hot water use will be within your daily target. If it says high, you will exceed your daily target unless you reduce your current rate of usage. I'll show you how to adjust this target setting later in this video. I'm going to show you how to compare your usage today to yesterday. The bars on the left help you compare your heating and hot water usage today to yesterday. As you can see, more heating and hot water has been used today than yesterday. The dotted line here also helps you compare your usage yesterday to your target level. You can also choose how you view your heating and hot water usage using the unit selection button here, either viewing your usage in pounds or in kilowatt hours. This is great for tracking your spending. To return back to the main menu, press the menu icon. If you'd like to check how much heating and hot water you've used over time, you can do so by pressing the history icon on the IHD's menu screen. Here you can see your heating and hot water usage over recent hours. Press the hour icon to change your view to see your heating and hot water usage over recent days, weeks, and months. As you can see here, more heating and hot water was used last month compared to this month. Now I'm going to show you how to find your heating and hot water tariff. If you ever need to double check your heating and hot water tariff, you can do so by pressing the tariff icon on the IHD main menu. You can see the charge for each kilowatt hour of heating and hot water that you use. And here you can see the daily fixed charge. If you have any questions about your heating and hot water tariff, please contact our customer care team. Occasionally, we'll send you messages directly to your IHD. For example, if there's some planned maintenance on your network which may affect your heating and hot water supply. If you can see an envelope on the top right hand of your IHD home screen, this means that you have an unread message. To read your messages, go to the main menu and press Message. Here you can see all the messages you have received and when they were sent. If any messages are highlighted in bold, this means that they are unread. Press View next to a message to open it. You can customise settings on the IHD to suit your preferences. Press Settings on the main menu to see all the features that you can customise. For example, by pressing Target, you can set a maximum level for the amount of heating and hot water that you'd like to use each day, either in kilowatt hours or in pounds. You can change the target level by pressing it and then typing in a new amount. This target level will be visible on the usage screens that I showed earlier in this video as a dotted line. You can also adjust the display contrast on your IHD by pressing the contrast button and changing the display contrast between minimum, low, medium, and maximum. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you get the most out of your IHD. If you have any more questions, please consult the in-home display and pay-as-you-go guide in your welcome pack. Alternatively, you can contact our customer care team. They'll be happy to help you.